One late night, a man shows up at a house in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Fortunately, the homeowner picks up the phone. She initially cannot hear him over the intercom. Check it out.
Excuse me? I can't hear you.
It is my...
I'm sorry? I can't hear you. I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
The guy dropped off. I don't know his name. The young guy with the dreads, with the tattoos all over his hands. He got the Cuban link chain on and the Cuban link bracelet on. I dropped him off here. He told me he was coming here. I need my because I cannot go to sleep without it. I have a mental condition.
Off here.
I need my... I dropped...
No, you didn't drop...
Ma'am, I dropped him off here.
No, sir.
I heard your voice on the phone. When he called you and asked a biscuit, a muffin biscuit, your voice was on the phone. I have voice recognition in my voice autographic hearing. I remember.
You didn't drop anybody off here, sir.
Call the police. I'm gonna wait right here.
Imagine a quiet neighborhood where houses ought to be havens, yet the secrets of the night have a way of coming to light. This suspenseful video shows us a terrifying break-in that completely disrupted the peace of a house. A few fearless people ventured through the doors of a house they didn't own under the cover of darkness. Equipped with a drill, they quickly obtained access, leaving the unwary homeowners helpless while they pillaged their possessions. A residence had two boys attempting to steal bikes from it. They fled as soon as one of them touched the bike because the alarm went off. To avoid theft, you should always lock your bicycles. Call the police if you witness suspicious activity. Do not go up against would-be thieves yourself. This video shows us an awful incident that was caught on camera by a home security system. A man brazenly approaches a residence, taking advantage of the open gate to take an air conditioner unit that has been left outdoors. This awful incident serves as a harsh warning for us to constantly be watchful and aware of our surroundings because criminals can target even the most seemingly insignificant objects and strike at any time. Seeing such thievery highlights the boldness of those who are eager to take advantage of weak situations, which is depressing. The video serves as a helpful reminder to safeguard our possessions and take the required safety measures to ward off burglars. In this Ring doorbell footage, this woman shows odd behavior. She tries to break into a house despite the locks being secured, but is stopped by the alarm system. She believes her identity and deeds are hidden, but as she gets her hands on the valuable Ring doorbell camera, her true goals become evident, leaving her frustrated yet unfazed. She has no idea that everything she does is being videotaped, which will eventually lead to her being arrested. In this footage, a woman is shown acting as though this home is her own while wearing a house arrest bracelet inside someone else's residence. Because of the possibility of unwanted access or property damage resulting from the woman's presence, there is a risk of privacy and security violations. This instance emphasizes how crucial home security systems are for stopping similar crimes and safeguarding people's personal property and safety. Before we get into this next video, it's important to understand the context of the footage. The clip was uploaded to Reddit by a user who said that their neighbor texted them to ask them to go check on his wife, who had been home alone when someone attempted to break in. Apparently, they stopped over to check on them, and happily, all was okay. This is the Ring camera footage that demonstrates the exact events that occurred. The video shows a shirtless man cautiously making his way up the porch stairs before he stands in front of the Ring camera and tries to unlock the door. It took him a moment to realize that the door was locked before he headed back down the stairs and out of the house. The exact duration that passed before the neighbor paid a visit is unknown, but by then, the suspect had vanished. All I know is that I will undoubtedly lock all of my windows and doors in my home after watching this video. A terrifying scenario was caught on camera by this doorbell camera, which showed 3 people stealing a parked car outside of a house. As the video plays, 2 of the offenders quickly flee, leaving the 3rd one behind. But the homeowner comes out of their home, shocked and terrified beyond belief. Instinctively, the homeowner runs back inside to hide from what is happening. The stressful and uncomfortable situation serves as a reminder of the value of home security, as well as the unpredictability of everyday life. This footage shows a surprising encounter where an unexpected visitor disturbs the peace of night. A strange man shows up at a residence and says the homeowner's wife has cheated on him. However, what's hidden behind this shocking discovery? We explore the intricacies of interpersonal relationships and the unexpected turns that can happen during the worst moments as the truth comes to light.
Hey, I live in the neighborhood. My Wi-Fi name is 1744. Your wife is cheating. I don't know how you did not catch on. Your address is 1744, but every day when you leave for work, a Nissan parks 3 houses down, walks up the side of your house, goes in your back door. I'm assuming you don't have cameras back there? Okay, your wife is smart, but she is unfaithful. I'm gonna walk this way, but I don't live this way.
Hello?
Hey, I just wanted to apologize for last night. I know I probably shouldn't have broke the news like that, but I had a few drinks.
Are you the guy that changed his Wi-Fi name to 1744 Wife is Cheating?
Yes, I thought I was being clever by using your address. I thought you'd catch on. It was stupid, but no, dude, she is cheating. Every time you go to work, I see this guy walk up the side of your driveway and go into your back door.
Okay, so you got a few things wrong there. The wife is the one that's actually driving and going to work, and the guy is for me, and yes, he does come in my back door.
Oh, wow, alright, fuck, my bad, dude.
Yeah. I mean, thank you, though. Like, I really didn't have the courage, and this is actually life-changing.
Hey, I'm very glad I could help, and I'm also sorry at the same time. Alright, have a good one.